Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the iPad has enough power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and tap Touch ID and passcode, then enter your passcode to access options. Make sure the sensor is clean and uncovered. Oil, dirt, or a case edge will block a good read. Why this matters? Touch ID needs a clear sensor and active settings access to register a new print, so don't skip these quick prep steps. Now you either delete the old fingerprint or add a new one. To remove, tap the fingerprint name and choose Delete. This clears the stored data. To add, tap Add a fingerprint and follow the lift and rest prompts, slowly adjusting the position to capture edges and different angles. Take your time, capture both the pad and sides of the finger for reliable recognition. Once the iPad confirms success, name the fingerprint so you can manage it later and avoid confusion. Finish by locking the iPad and testing Touch ID several times. This verifies registration and shows you if adjustments are needed. Make sure the desired features, iPad Unlock, Apple Pay, iTunes, are toggled on in Touch ID settings so the fingerprint is authorized where you want it. If recognition fails, restart the iPad and re-enroll the finger or register a different finger. This usually resolves sensor calibration or smudge issues. One tip: keep the sensor clean and dry for consistent results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.